Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Independent Bank Corp's third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Let's start with the financial highlights. Independent Bank reported GAAP net income of $42.9 million for Q3 2024, translating to diluted earnings per share of $1.01. The bank achieved a return on assets of 0.88% and a return on average common equity of 5.75%. Their tangible book value showed solid growth, increasing by 9% year-over-year, with a $1.38 increase per share this quarter alone. A significant development this quarter was the substantial loan loss provision related to a single large office property. The bank set aside a $22.4 million specific reserve for a $54.6 million office loan that came from their East Boston Savings acquisition. This loan, while currently paying, has been moved to non-performing status due to concerns about its future performance and lack of sponsor support. On a more positive note, deposit trends showed strength. Period-end deposit balances increased slightly, while average deposits grew at an impressive annualized rate of nearly 9% for the quarter. The bank saw particularly strong growth in non-interest-bearing business checking accounts, and core household growth continued at 1% for the quarter. The net interest margin improved by 4 basis points to 3.29% in Q3, driven by stabilization in their funding profile. Looking ahead, management expects some near-term pressure on margins from potential Fed rate cuts, but they're optimistic about longer-term expansion once the yield curve normalizes. In terms of loan portfolio performance, total loans decreased slightly by $40 million or 0.3% for the quarter, primarily due to construction loan payoffs. However, the approved commercial pipeline stands at $294 million, showing a 9% increase over the previous quarter. The bank has been actively working to diversify their loan portfolio and reduce commercial real estate concentration, particularly in the office sector. Their wealth management business continues to be a bright spot, with assets under administration reaching a record $7.2 billion. This segment provides a comprehensive suite of services, including investment management, financial planning, estate planning, and business advisory services. Looking at guidance for Q4 2024, management expects low single-digit percentage increases in both loans and deposits. The net interest margin is anticipated to contract slightly by 0 to 5 basis points in the near term. However, they're optimistic about margin expansion in the longer term as deposit repricing benefits are expected to outweigh loan yield decreases. Management also addressed M&A possibilities, noting that while activity seems to be picking up, they'll maintain their disciplined approach to acquisitions. With their strong capital position, they're also considering potential stock buybacks as market conditions warrant. Overall, despite the significant provision for the troubled office loan, Independent Bank Corp demonstrated resilience in its core operations, with solid deposit growth, improving margins, and continued strength in wealth management. The bank appears well-positioned to navigate the changing interest rate environment while maintaining its focus on prudent growth and risk management. That wraps up our recap of Independent Bank Corp's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.